Welcome back to Cars Jade channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Kia EV6 GT Line. The Kia EV6 GT Line has been turning heads in the electric vehicle market since its introduction, and the 2026 model is set to elevate the excitement further. The 2026 Kia EV6 GT Line is an EV that seamlessly blends performance, luxury, and technology. With its updated features and enhanced capabilities, it's poised to remain a top contender in the EV market. For those looking to embrace the future of electric driving, the 2026 EV6 GT Line is a vehicle worth waiting for. Kia has made significant strides with the 2026 EV6 GT Line, enhancing its technology, design, and performance. Refreshed exterior design. The 2026 model boasts sharper lines, an updated grille, and redesigned LED headlamps for a sleeker appearance. Enhanced range. Improved battery technology extends the EV6 GT Line's range to an impressive 330 miles per charge. Advanced driver assistance systems. New features, including upgraded lane-keeping assistance and adaptive cruise control with AI learning, provide a safer driving experience. Faster charging. The vehicle now supports 800-volt ultra-fast charging, delivering 10 to 80% charge in just 18 minutes. The interior of the 2026 Kia EV6 GT Line combines modern aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. Premium materials. Upholstered in eco-friendly leather, the seats are both sustainable and comfortable. Panoramic display. A dual 12.3-inch curved screen setup provides seamless access to infotainment and vehicle controls. Ambient lighting. Customizable ambient lighting adds a sophisticated touch to the cabin. Spacious cabin. Thanks to the flat EV platform, passengers enjoy ample legroom and headroom. Sound system. The premium Meridian audio system ensures an immersive listening experience. The 2026 Kia EV6 GT Line is a powerhouse in the EV segment. Dual electric motors. Producing a combined output of 576 horsepower, the EV6 GT Line offers thrilling acceleration. All-wheel drive. The AWD system ensures excellent traction and stability in various driving conditions. Acceleration. The car sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, rivaling some of the fastest sports cars. Regenerative braking. Enhanced regenerative braking technology allows for greater efficiency and customizable driving dynamics. Kia plans to launch the 2026 EV6 GT Line in late 2025. Pricing is expected to start at $60,000 for the base model, with fully loaded variants reaching up to $70,000. Early reservations will likely open in mid-2025, providing eager buyers a chance to secure their vehicle ahead of the official release. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.